Welcome to the video on the Samsung Galaxy M36 5G in Serene Green with 6GB RAM and 128GB storage. Key features include Circle to Search, Google Gemini, Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus, and an AI-enhanced 50MP OIS triple camera. This smartphone is highly rated with 3.9 out of 5 stars from over 3,400 ratings. Over 2,000 units were bought in the past month, demonstrating its popularity. The Samsung Galaxy M36 5G is available for a discounted price, representing 41% savings. You can also take advantage of no-cost EMI options for 6 months with an HDFC Bank credit card. Experience the AI monster features, including intelligent searching with Circle to Search and Gemini Live. Become a photography pro with AI-powered editing tools like Object Eraser and Image Clipper. The monster design prioritizes durability. It's 7.7mm sleek with Gorilla Glass Victus Plus protection, offering 4x better scratch resistance and 2.0-meter fall endurance. Capture stunning photos with the monster camera, featuring a triple rear camera with OIS and 4K video recording. It includes a 50MP main camera and enhanced nightography features. The monster display features a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED screen with vision booster and slimmer bezels. This ensures an immersive viewing experience, even in bright sunlight. Enjoy monster performance with a 4nm octa-core processor and vapor cooling chamber for lag-free gaming. The long-lasting battery supports C-type fast charging and lasts up to 2 days. This device comes with 6 years of OS and security upgrades. It features the latest Android 15 operating system with One UI 7.0 Knox security and Samsung Wallet for tap and pay. Customers find the M36 5G to be an excellent entry-level Samsung device with good value and a premium design. While the display is praised, some users report issues with battery life and heating.